Welcome to this tutorial on how to use an Absa Bank current account. A current account is a type of bank account that allows you to manage your daily financial transactions efficiently. To get started, you need to open a current account with Absa Bank by visiting their website or going to a branch near you. Once your account is opened, you will receive a debit card and a checkbook. The debit card can be used to withdraw cash from an ATM, make purchases online or in store, and check your account balance. The checkbook can be used to make payments to individuals or businesses. To deposit money into your account, you can use the Absa Bank mobile app, visit a branch, or use an ATM. Simply select the deposit option, choose the account you want to deposit into, and follow the prompts. You can deposit cash, checks, or transfer funds from another account. To make a payment, you can use the mobile app, internet banking, or visit a branch. You can pay bills, transfer funds to another account, or make a payment to a merchant. Simply select the payment option, enter the recipient's details, and confirm the transaction. It is essential to keep your account details and debit card safe to prevent unauthorized transactions. You should also regularly check your account statement to ensure that all transactions are correct, and report any suspicious activity to Absa Bank immediately. To manage your account effectively, you should set up account alerts to notify you of any transactions above a certain amount. You can also set up a budget and track your expenses using the Absa Bank mobile app. This will help you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. In addition, Absa Bank offers a range of benefits and services with their current account, including overdraft facilities, credit cards, and investment products. You can visit their website or speak to a banker to learn more about these services and how they can benefit you. In conclusion, using an Absa Bank current account is straightforward and convenient. By following these steps and best practices, you can manage your daily financial transactions efficiently and effectively. Remember to always keep your account details and debit cards safe. Regularly check your account statement, and take advantage of the benefits and services offered by Absa Bank.